Hello, my name's Jay, and this is War Table, printer and painting channel. Today, I'm just going to show you how I clean my Z-axis on my Neptune 2. You just have to release these two screws here with your Allen wrench to get the Z-axis loose first. That's the first step. It's kind of hard to get them in there right. It's a weird angle, but once you find it, you'll get them loose, and then you'll see it just pops right out. Slide it up out of there, just twist it, and it'll twist right up out of there. And it's going to be a little greasy, but you know, no big deal. Just clean it with some alcohol. Just take a lint-free cloth and scrub it down real good. Try to get in there real good with your fingernails. You can also use a piece of string or something like that to get in there real good. I also used Q-tips to clean this hole out because it's pretty grody too. It's probably worse than any part of the actual Z-axis rod because it's just got so much crap in there from going up and down and pulling all the stuff off the rod. So I cleaned that out real good with Q-tips and alcohol also, and then just slid it back down after I greased it up real good with some lithium grease. Make sure you run it up and down a few times to get it started, and then just retighten those two Allen bolts at the bottom, and make sure it's like halfway on that and halfway on the spindle that's on the bottom. And that way it should have no problems. Okay, now the other thing you'll want to do is run it up and down the Z-axis with the manual controls. That way it'll make sure that it gets the lithium grease spread out even across the whole Z-axis. And if there is a bunch built up on it anywhere, you can wipe it off at that point. That's pretty much it. Just make sure that you don't put too much or too little. You know, that's really the trick there. You want to make sure you have plenty, because you can always wipe it off. So it's easier to put more on and then just wipe off a little bit after it accumulates at the top of the Z-axis screw hole there. If this helped you at all, and like and subscribe. I'm also going to be releasing a video soon about how to replace the hot end completely on one of these. I haven't really seen a really decent video about that yet either. And I'm going to be replacing everything up to the wiring. So that should be a pretty good video and pretty interesting. So thank you for watching, and God bless. Have a great night. Thank you.